Hello, this is Jake from Redneck Rides, and I'm in my garage here, and I decided I'll show you the exhaust system we got for the Jeep. Well, you can see right there, it's a Gibson exhaust, precision built exhaust and headers. This is a cat back. We already have headers on there. Okay. There's the instructions, I'm guessing. There's a little diagram. Instruction manual. 91 through 96, okay. Yeah, okay. Muffler, clamp, tailpipe. Okay. Well, this looks like over the axle, I'm guessing. Well, I know what this is. This is the muffler. Oh, that was loud. Okay. That's the tip. Here, set this bad boy down right there. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. The bolt. Look at that. That's pretty nice. That's where the bolt goes. Okay. There's the clamps. I don't know what this is. Pipe off the pipe. This is the pipe that goes off the muffler onto the pipe that goes over the axle. Okay. Think that's it. As you know, Jeeps are pretty small, and it's a catback, so there's not going to be that much piping, because the cat goes right under the door. It's a two-door. It's not really room for more. So there we go, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys later. Let me know down in the comments if you like unboxings or not, because I know some people do. I don't know. Just let me know. Because if you do, I'll make some more unboxings if I get any more parts, and I could do parts for my Dodge, because I'm going to be getting a lot of those coming up here. So I'll see you guys later, okay? Bye.